The snow piles up as it has for days upon days. Kids head to the sledding hills for some winter fun, and that's great for moms when everyone's outside. But all of those wet, bulky sleds they bring home have to go somewhere at the end of the day. So one mom who watches the show reached out to us for some advice on how to organize her kids' sleds when they're not using them. Farrah Britter emailed us to say, quote, Studio 5, I need help. I need tips or ideas on organizing kids' sled in our garage. She says she searched Pinterest and can't really find any solid solutions online. Well, Farrah, we are turning to an expert for some advice. Here is professional organizer Jenny Layton's take on sled storage. Let's take a listen.
Yeah, I'm here in my garage to show Studio 5 how I organize my sleds. That seasonal gear can be such a challenge, so I'll show you a couple of options. Okay, so here is where we keep our sleds, snowboards, and other gear. I have to give my husband credit for this one. He found these racks at Marine Products in Salt Lake. These are awesome for sleds, skis, snowboards. Now another one that you probably already have in your garage and you probably don't need to do too much with is just a shelf. I know that's not fancy, but that's an easy fix.
Jenny, thank you so much. Jenny, of course, known as the Happy Gal. Her website has all sorts of solutions, but I'm kind of in love with those marine shelving that her husband picked up. I'm assuming for like water ski equipment or wakeboards, but that works perfectly for the sleds. So, checking a name here, Farrah. I hope that helps you. I know it was definitely an eye-opener for me as far as sled solutions go. A tricky winter storage problem, hopefully solved for Farrah and everybody else out there.